Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to combine like terms on this review sheet. So we have the negative with the parentheses. So that means everything here is in the opposite region. So before we start to combine like terms, we need to flip those tiles out of the opposite region. So I just rewrote these first three terms because nothing's going to happen to them. That -3 is going to become a +3. The positive 8x is going to become -8x, and the positive 2x squared. So now I'm going to go ahead and combine like terms. So one way to help you with this is you can circle which terms look like. Just make sure you include the sign in front of it. So we have 3x squared plus 2x squared. That's going to give us 5x squared. Now we have this -4x and -8x. So that will give us -12x. And then finally, we have this +7 and +3. So that would be +10. Now we're going to do the same thing for number 2, but we're only going to flip what's in parentheses. So I'll rewrite these first couple terms. Then that -1 is going to become +1, and that's going to become a -4y squared. I'm not going to do anything to this -1 because that's not in the opposite region. It's not in parentheses. Okay, so now let's see. What can I combine with a -xy? 2 positive xy's. So I end up with xy. Now I see a y squared and a -4y squared. So that's going to give me -3y squared. And then this +1 and -1 are going to make a 0 pair. Let's look at the third one. So here again, we're going to flip those tiles from the opposite region. So the 13x and the -5, nothing's going to happen to those. This -5y is going to become +5y, and that 13x is going to become -13x. Now these are going to make 0 because we have a plus and a minus. And then this -5y and +5y are going to make 0 as well. So that simplifies into 0.